Hello, everyone, and welcome to Anything and Everything. So to give you a little context, मुझे vlogging actually काफ़ी टाइम से करनी थी because I feel it's a really nice way to document your life. एंड पिछले 5 सालों में मैंने इतना कंटेंट शूट किया है. I've shot recipes, I've shot challenges, I've even made up game shows and forced my friends to participate in it. But every time I would think of putting this out, my self doubt would take over and I would start over analyzing everything. I used to think कि मुझे तो editing भी नहीं आती and कोई ये क्यों ही देखेगा. Like I hate how I sound, I hate how I look and ये सारी चीज़ें बस मेरे ड्राफ्ट्स में सड़ती रह गई. Then last Sunday, I was talking to this comic friend of mine, and she told me that why don't you take this up as a challenge to get over your camera consciousness? And I thought, hey, that's actually not a bad idea. So I decided to give this a shot, and मुझे normal snippets of my life नहीं देने थे सिर्फ. I wanted to do something more, something that could add value. So then I started thinking, how do I go about this? And I realized that I am someone who loves exploring new cafes, new restaurants. I'm trying really hard to get back to reading these days, and I love board games. I'm trying to get into fitness, and I love food. And wait, I think I said that already. But yeah, so I thought this could be my place where I could give tips, tricks, recommendations, things that I've loved, things that I've hated, and just things to do in and around. So that's how Anything and Everything was born.
A wise person once told me that you should always document your struggles. तो मैं जिम चली गई. And now don't let that smile fool you. ये मशीन पे मेरी मौत आ रही थी, बट कैमरा ऑन था तो स्माइल तो करना पड़ेगा ना.
तो if you are someone who follows me on Instagram, then you probably know that मेरा जिम से बहुत ज़्यादा love-hate relationship है. I love how I feel after working out, but I hate dragging my ass to the gym. तो मैं ना छोटे छोटे हैक्स ढूंढती रहती हूँ that motivate me and trick my brain into going to the gym. So आज सुबह जब मैं उठी तो मुझे बाल धोने थे और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आलस आ रहा था. So instead I thought कि what will make a head bath worth it. तो इसलिए मैं जिम चली गई और जब मैं वापस आई तो बालों में इतना पसीना था कि my आलस had to take a back seat. So yeah, believe it or not, that is the reason why I went to the gym today. For more life hacks, follow someone better.
Well, my toxic trait is कि मैं एक बार जिम जाती हूँ और फिर पूरे हफ्ते को चीट डे के जैसे मनाती हूँ. एंड वैसे तो मेरे डॉक्टर ने मुझे कॉफ़ी पीने से मना कर रखा है, बट आई लव कॉफ़ी वे टू मच टू गिव अप ऑन इट. तो वंस इन अ वाइल आई मेक माई सेल्फ एन अहमदाबाद स्टाइल कॉफ़ी विच लिटरली ट्रांसलेट्स टू जितनी भी मीठी चीज़ें दिख रही है कॉफ़ी में डाल दो. सो घर पे ब्राउनीज़ और आइसक्रीम पड़ा था तो मैंने कॉफ़ी में मिला दिया, बिकॉज इफ़ यू कांट सी इट देन कैलोरीज डोंट काउंट, राइट. And this experiment turned out to be successful. The coffee was superb. हाँ, बट मेरा जिम ट्रेनर अगर ये देखेगा तो पक्का बेहोश हो जाएगा.
आज हमने पॉडकास्ट शूटिंग का पहला अटेम्प्ट किया है. आई डोंट नो इफ इट विल एवर गो लाइव, बट या, एंड दिस इज माय वंस इन द मंथ स्टेपिंग आउट, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू ड्रेस अप.
My husband and I wanted to explore a place that none of us had been to before, so we decided to go to Demi, which is in Kamla Mills. And ये जगह बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर थी, and generally मैं सुंदर जगहों से अच्छा खाना बिल्कुल expect नहीं करती, but Demi pleasantly ended up surprising us. The food was great. And वैसे मुझे चॉपस्टिक से खाना आता नहीं है, but I thought कि I'll just record it in case तुक्का सही लग जाए. So I turned on the camera and I tried it out and I did it. Then we went to our aunt's place for dinner and just look at the spread. Of course, we overate. And finally, to end a hectic week, I went to a reading circle in my society.
So that's all for today. Thank you for sticking around.